Today is a big day for Moore and me. A really big day. Because today is the day that we got this. This is awesome. At least I'm hoping it is. Let's take a look. Ooh, came from Amazon. It's not that. It's my new high definition camcorder. Let's take a look inside the box. It's not a very expensive one. Actually, the one I'm recording on right now is more expensive than I paid for this one. Dear sir or madam, thank you for your kind order of our hot video camera model. So it's hot.
It's good or bad?
I'm hoping it's good. Instructions. Look at that. It's a boom mic. Charger. A remote control. USB cable. Battery. Camera lens. HDMI cable with a micro HDMI and a normal HDMI. Now for the grand resistance. Nice little cap.
Please cool me down as fast.
I feel hot too. Carefully packaged. Let's take a look. My new high definition camcorder, which will give me the chance to record in 1080p.
Yes, master.
That's pretty cool. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to end this portion of the video and I'm going to record something with it and attach it to the end. Alright, so this is the new camera. This was my old Samsung camera. Yeah, see, it was a decent little camera. I gotta say one thing for it. It had a killer life on a charge. Just not a very good picture. Alright, so here's the camera. It's now,
not in my database. Sorry.
it's now a 1080p, so that's kind of cool. I didn't go up to 4K because I don't think my computer can handle it. But I have a lot of neat features. I think I can zoom on it. More, we got a new camera. Aren't you excited?
I'm like so happy just to be here.
I am happy that you're here too. So, hopefully Moore and I will bring you a lot more cooler stuff. At least with a better picture. We'll see how this...
I'm afraid I can't understand.
I'm afraid you can't understand either. I'm hoping that the microphone on here is a lot better. It's a nice little boom microphone in front of the camera, as opposed to my karaoke microphone that I've been using. Yeah, this isn't hooked up anymore, but it was hooked up to the other camera because the sound wasn't as good. So, you know, you make do with what you got until you can get something better. I paid less for this camera on...
I promise I do whatever you want.
Thank you. I paid less for this camera on Amazon. than I did my original camera. This is a much better quality picture. Even the LCD screen is way better than this camera right here. If you look at this one, it's just not as good. But I will say this has been a reliable camera. If you're interested in the camera that I just bought, more details of it are below. I paid like $109 for it, shipped to my house directly. That's awesome. It's going to be a great camera for a lot of different things. Please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for future notifications. And Moore and I will see you soon. This is the recording area. So hopefully this thing sounds kick-ass. It is more. Hopefully it sounds kick-ass.
What can I do for you?
That's what I'm hoping. Absolutely nothing, mate. You can do nothing.